What's good, bro? Oh,
oh, nice, nice. Is this for you?
yes.
That's a good ball. I hate that ball.
Which one?
The one you're touching.
Oh, this one's the one that shot 300 against you, right? Oh, shit. Okay.
I'm stopping by Haynes' shop. I gotta plug some bowling balls for Mikey. Or I'm pretty sure these guys are gonna help me out a little bit because I don't want to ruin anything in this shop. I don't know how the stuff runs, but the plug stuff, he's gonna get some balls done for nationals because he wants to bring his golf clubs and he's getting married that week and all that good stuff. This is Jay.
What it do? What it do?
Yeah.
What's happening with it?
Funny guy right here. Love this guy. And then everybody knows Zach. Zach's finally getting back into bowling after a year and a half, almost.
That's a fact.
Zach's bowled one time, I think, in the last 18 months.
I'm gonna pop off another 800 in national.
And I'm pretty sure it was with me at Simo's place. But yeah, he's got an eagle. Doubles eagle with Michael Coffee. Cool stuff. Yeah, if you're ever in town, in Las Vegas, and you need some stuff done, you need a ball, whatever, bang.
Y'all see it.
You guys know where to come.
Y'all see it.
Haynes Bowling Supply.
Facts.
Yeah. I'll be taking his money on the golf course, but you guys can help him out by supporting his business. He beats me most of the time.
You see, like,
Look how thick these lenses are. My man legitimately can't see without his glasses on.
like blind, like
I trusted this guy to drill my bowling balls when I first moved here.
if I wake up and my glasses aren't on the bed or anywhere near the bed, it's a search.
That's right.
You tell Mikey to buy you a beer or something when he comes.
Mikey, I'm gonna need for you to take care of your boy one time, man. we need to get you and Chris down here to do this. But it's no biggie. You know I got you.
Wrapped up at the shop with Jay and Zach. Just want to say shout out to them and shout out to Haynes. He's one of my favorite people out here. He takes care of me, whatever I need bowling wise. The other day when my car broke down, he came out and brought some gas for me because my dad thought that was the issue, but you know, kind of went out of his way to help me out. And I just want to say I really appreciate that, and I'm glad that I've formed a better relationship with Haynes. You know, I play golf with him all the time. We bowl regionals and stuff, but he's genuinely a good guy. He's helped my family out, helped my aunt buy a house. Just, you know, he's overall a great person, and I think those are the kind of people that you want in your life. Just people that do things because they feel like it's the right thing to do and not necessarily for any personal gain or monetary value. And that's really important to me. So thank you, Haynes. Thank you, Zach and Jay. Zach's one of my best friends, and Jay's a really great guy too. He's awesome to hang out with. He's really funny. And you know, same thing, taking care of me and Mikey, especially with plugging his balls. You didn't even ask me to help out or anything. You took the grips out, plugged the balls, and you got the job done. So yeah, shout out to them. Super sick. If you're ever in Vegas, again, do me a favor, please stop by Haynes' Pro Shop and support the business. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm sure it would mean a lot to them as well. And they provide you with excellent service for all your pro shop needs. What do we have here? New bowling balls? Old bowling balls? Seed balls? What is wrong with my voice right now? I don't know. But you're just gonna have to wait and tune into tomorrow's vlog to find out. All right, guys. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell notification so that you can find out what these bowling balls are tomorrow. All right? Peace.